गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स। आशा करता हूँ आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। और जिस निवेश के बारे में मैं लगातार आपसे बात करता रहा हूँ, अब उस निवेश को करने का एक मौका आपको मिल रहा है। निफ्टी बीज 179 के हाई से आज 156 पहुँच गया है और मार्केट लगातार नीचे की तरफ ट्रेंड कर रहा है। शायद आने वाले कुछ हफ्ते, कुछ महीने मार्केट आपको नीचे की तरफ ट्रेंड करता ही दिखाई देगा। साथ में वर्ल्ड मार्केट्स भी, उनका भी रुझान नीचे की तरफ है। सो व्हेन द वर्ल्ड मार्केट्स आर ट्रेंडिंग डाउनवर्ड्स and Nifty 50 is also continuously trending downwards. Friends, this is the right time to invest in Nifty Bs and N100 ETFs. Keep on accumulating units, and the best way to accumulate is when the Nifty falls by around 200 points. You should be buying around 25 units of Nifty Bs and 5 units of N100. N100 again is dependent on the Nasdaq. So if you see Nasdaq gives a fall of around 1%, you should be investing around 5 to 10 units of N100 also. And friends, as the markets keep trending downward during this time, maybe for the coming weeks and months, the market may slowly trend downwards. The more it trends downwards, the more aggressive you should become in terms of investing in Nifty Bs and N100. Suppose the market drops by 500 points in a week, like it did last week. It in fact dropped 500 points in a day. So whenever there is a week where the Nifty 50 and Nasdaq 100 are down by almost 500 points, you should be very aggressively investing in around 200 units of Nifty Bs. At this rate, once the index reaches around 9,000, if it reaches there, I really don't know what's the bottom for the index, from where it can bounce back. But you should keep a simple plan in your mind. Let the index go down, नीचे जाते जाने दीजिए। 9,000 के लेवल तक भी अगर जाता है तो आपको करीब 100 या 110 रुपये में आप निफ्टी 20 को एवरेज कर लेंगे और करीब 800 रुपये, 850 रुपये के आसपास आप नेस्डैक 100 को भी, N100 को भी आप अक्यूमुलेट कर पाएंगे एवरेज करके। दोस्तों एक बात ध्यान रखिए, 1996 में जो निफ्टी शुरू हुआ था तब वो 1000 उसकी वैल्यू हुआ करती थी। फिर एक समय आया जब आज से 10 दिन पहले 15,400 भी पहुंची। अब अगर मान लीजिए निफ्टी 50 10,000 पॉइंट पे पहुंचती है या 9,000 पे पहुंचती है तो उसकी वैल्यू करीब 100 रुपया रह जाएगी। तो अगर आप 110 या 115 रुपये के आसपास उसको एवरेज करते हैं तो दोस्तों ये मान के चलिए कि साल 2030 यानी करीब 10 साल बाद निफ्टी जो मैं देखता हूँ कम से कम उसकी वैल्यू 1 लाख हो जानी चाहिए। और निफ्टी की वैल्यू अगर 1 लाख होगी तो निफ्टी 20 की वैल्यू करीब 1100 रुपया होनी चाहिए। तो आप समझिए कि 10 साल के अंतराल में योर इन्वेस्टमेंट कैन बिकम 10 टाइम्स। एंड फ्रेंड्स, this is the only way you can beat inflation, because inflation today is trending around 7 to 8%, and with the rise in prices it is expected to go even higher. So by way of your bank account or other instruments, debt instruments, it will be extremely difficult to beat inflation. But when it comes to investing in these ETFs over a period of 10 years, believe me friends, your investment can become 10 times. And once it becomes 10 times, you'll always be ahead of inflation, however high it can go. And that is why I continuously tell you, to buy N100 and Nifty Bs on a regular basis on a falling knife basis. The more aggressively the market goes down, the more aggressively you should be increasing your quantity of Nifty Bs and N100. The better the average, the more the returns. And from 1996, Nifty 50 became 10,000 from 1,000 in 2017, which it took 21 years to reach 10,000, and thereafter it took 4 years to reach 15,000. So just imagine, friends, the pace of growth in Nifty 50 is much more dynamic than when it was started. So अगर आप गौर से देखें, जो निफ्टी 21 साल में 1,000 से 10,000 हुई, वो 4 साल में 10,000 से 15,000 हो गई. तो इस रफ्तार से अगर निफ्टी चलती है तो अगले 1 साल में 20,000 हो जाएगी. एंड आई हैव नो डाउट दैट बाय द ईयर 2030, maybe by end of 2030 or the early beginning of 2031, Nifty 50 may actually reach a level of 1 lakh, which means your units will be at a value of around 1100 rupees. So friends, this to me seems to be the best investment to beat inflation year after year after year. If you have already not started investing in these two ETFs, kindly go through my earlier videos to understand the ETFs, and only way is to average it at whatever lower price you can get, with the market trending lower continuously day after day, week after week. Thank you, friends, for patiently listening to it. And if you like my idea, do subscribe to the video, like my channel, and share it with your friends and relatives and near and dear ones, so that it can also help them to invest in an instrument which can actually beat inflation year after year after year, and you will never have any complication of investing in shares or mutual funds. Thank you very much, friends. Goodbye.